My name na CY and I go like become aircraft mechanic one day. Today, I go like yarn una on this ogbonge topic wey dey for ground. I call am wetin make plane sabi fly. Before I proceed, I go like make you know say this video na in partnership with our join body group Time Aero Career Consultants wey CAC for Canada. Oya, make I no waste una time. Time to enter into the yarn for today. So, before any aircraft go fit go up, e go need fight these forces like gidigbo until one pass the other one well. So the fight na between the artificial forces and the natural forces. That is, forces wey man create and forces wey God create. So the names na drag versus thrust, lift versus weight. This plane wey we dey see for sky dey very heavy. Some weight dey up to 5 times the size of elephant mama dem. So the long wing with im unique shape wey dem dey call airfoil na im dey make aeroplane dey fly very high. Apart from that one, the thrust wey the jet engine or the propeller dey produce na im dey make the plane move go front with high speed. So when the plane don run far distance for some time, the shape of the plane wey dem dey call aerodynamic and the wing go ginger the plane very well, say make e begin fly. I hope say una learn something from this short lecture. Make una just like, share and subscribe. Next time I go gist una about the next topic wey I call how plane dey take land. Na do well o.